Ball valves, the tiny giants powering modern infrastructure. In pipelines, factories, and homes, ball valves are the unsung heroes of fluid control. Their simple design, a rotating sphere with a bore, enables quick 90-degree shutoff, outperforming traditional valves in durability and leak resistance. Perfect for high-pressure oil rigs or smart water systems, they're everywhere you need reliability. Why they rule. Speed, safety, instant shutoff prevents disasters. Versatility, handle extreme temps, corrosive chemicals, and heavy pressure. Smart upgrades, IoT sensors enable real-time monitoring, graphene coatings boost lifespan. Market boom. The global ball valve market is racing toward $15 billion by 2028, Grand View Research. China's green energy push and smart city trends are supercharging demand. Future-proof tech. From AI-driven predictive maintenance to blockchain-tracked quality control, innovation ensures these valves stay ahead of tomorrow's challenges. The bottom line. Small but mighty, ball valves keep industries flowing and homes safe, proving that sometimes, the biggest revolutions come in spherical packages.